Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Griffin Set in Archero 2. In Archero 2, obtaining the Griffin Set involves a bit of strategy and patience. There are primarily two methods to acquire this powerful gear. First, you can try your luck through the chromatic chest, which offers a smaller chance of landing the Griffin Set. The more reliable method is the midstone chest, but only when the guaranteed set rotates the Griffin. Currently, it might be another set like the Oracle set, so timing is key. To maximize your chances, consider saving up gems and opening chests in batches of 10. Doing this consistently will gradually improve your odds, and over time, you'll be able to collect the full Griffin set. With persistence and strategic chest openings, you'll unlock its S tier advantages and enhance your gameplay significantly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.